dito, pero marami pa tayong Sparkle artists who have arrived to support KMJS Gabi ng Lagim, the movie. Isabel! Dressed for the part! Welcome, welcome! Ayan, interview lang kita a little bit. Hello? How are you? So, ito, okay. Alam ko na hindi mo lang tonight susuportahan si Miguel. Sinuportahan mo din siya through the time na he was filming this. So, how was it supporting him through an iconic film na first time pa ng KMJS and also horror?
Ako, excited ako kasi ang dami kong stories na naririnig kay Miguel first hand, like, at habang nangyayari yung mga eksena, talagang pinasabi ko ni Miguel, and sabi nga niya na talagang totoong nakakatakot ang KMJS Gabi ng Lagim. Kaya sobrang excited ako, not just for Poncho or yung episode ni Miguel, pero for the rest of the movies din.
Yes. What about, sige, eto na lang. Something na excited kang ma-witness kay sa Poncho kay Miguel tonight.
Ang alam ko kasi is ibang Miguel talaga yung ipapakita niya tonight. So I'm so excited na mapanood yun, and I'm excited din na mapanood ng mga kapuso natin.
I'm so thankful that you're here to support not just Miguel, but the entire KMJS team. Thank you so much, Isabel. Sige, I will just get your mic. Take your photos muna. Again, everybody, as you take the photos, please post them with the hashtag KMJS Gabi ng Lagim, the movie, and post it tagging KMJS, Kapuso and GMA Pictures. Sobrang excited nila to see. Thank you so much, Isabel. Thank you so much for supporting. Grabe yung support ng Sparkle artists natin. Dahil hindi lang si Isabel yung dumating para supportahan si Miguel and the KMJS Gabi ng Lagim the movie. We also have Kapuso Primetime Princess, Barbie Forteza. Welcome to the black carpet, Barbie. Parang kailan lang nung si Barbie naman ang merong horror film at siya ang sinuportahan ng fellow Sparkle artists. Thank you so much for joining in the GMA family in support for this movie. As you take your photos, please remind din yung mga iimbitahan niyo pong manood na sa November 26 po ang official run ng KMJS Gabi ng Lagim, the movie. Long time no see. Nice to see you, Barbie. Sige, bago ko mag-picture, tatanungin muna kita. As someone nakakagawa lang ng horror film, horror psycho film, what are you expecting sa mga fellow artists mo na ma-witness mo tonight?
Honestly, wala akong ina-expect dahil alam ko naman na ginalingan nilang lahat. As I've seen in the trailer, grabe, iba-ibang level of fear, horror, and moral story din talaga na hatid ng ating KMJS Gabi ng Lagim the movie. At saka fan ako nito kasi tuwing mag-Halloween, pinaabangan ko talaga yung Gabi ng Lagim.
Correct.
Naghihintay nga ako ng text, baka pwede ako mag-guest.
Bakit di pa hindi daw guest? Si Barbie, naghihintay pa rin.
So, ayan, pwede na rin bang bumate?
Pwede na bumate.
Ayan, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Grabe, napakaraming tao naman. Napakarami naman nag-aabang. For sure, nandito ang lahat ng fans ng aking fellow Sparkle artists na napakagagaling ding mga aktor na nandito sa pelikulang ito. At syempre, ang solid fans ng KMJS. Kaya ramdam na ramdam namin ang pagmamahal ninyong lahat. I am here to support Miss Jessica Soho, of course, and GMA Pictures. Kaya I'm very, very excited to see the film.
Thank you, Barbie, for your support. Ito mo naman, nagkumpulan na sila nung dumating ka.
Ayun na nga.
Yes,
Pinapalitan ito. Okay.
Yes! Hindi mo siya punta. Okay. Before you go inside, I'm excited ka na. May mga magpipicture ulit sa'yo dito. Kunin ko lang ang mic mo. Hindi lang ang ating sinusupport ko din si Miss Jessica.
Wag dito, tingin. Last shot, dito. Press mo.
Puso PR. Sino bang gusto niyo nang makita sa grating black carpet? Jillian, sino ba? Ashley, sino ba? Miguel, sino ba? Sanya? Okay, ibibigay namin sila sa inyo. Maya-maya lang. Wait lang. Mamaya, dire-diretso na ang gulatan. But of course, hindi lang yung mga artista natin, ang ating mga stars, yung mga kasama natin, but also our very own Miss Jessica Soho. We're really excited to chat with her. Siya talaga yung nakasaksi ng journey ng KMJS Gabi ng Lagim through the years. Let's just wait for them to grace our black carpet. But before we proceed, we want to thank our